Oh, hey, are you here for some CES news? Come on in. Come on in. I got some CES News 2025 right here from Las Vegas. We just had a chance to meet up with JLab, a company known for their budget audio products, and they were very excited to share 3 announcements with us. The first being a new flagship pair of over-ear headphones, the JLab Epic Lux Lab Edition. They're going to be the first set of JLab headphones to offer adaptive ANC. They're also going to have Bluetooth 5.4, high-res listening LDAC for Android users. Something else that's cool is they come with their own wireless charging puck, which is pretty cool. You don't see that too often. It simply just attaches magnetically to one of the ear cups. Very handy on the go. I did get a chance to try them on. Found the ear cups pretty roomy, very comfortable, especially compared to the JBuds Lux, which are the even more budget-friendly option. Now, I did get a chance to listen to these headphones. First impressions, found it pretty good. Gonna put on a little Van Halen, my go-to, a little Panama, because I know how that song sounds. Can hear that steady 4/4 bass guitar line. It sounds good, man. And there's David Lee Roth's epic vocals. First impressions, sounds pretty good. Nice and even. I got no complaints right off the bat. So again, starting in awareness mode, I can hear the music that's playing from the Bluetooth speakers downstairs. But with the touch of the physical button here, kicks in noise cancellation mode, eliminates all the noise from the Bluetooth speakers that are playing downstairs. I can hear a little bit of my own voice. I got the Van Halen going. Again, I can't hear the Bluetooth speakers that are playing downstairs. Of course, we are excited to get them into our lab, not our JLab, but we are excited to get them into our lab and get them on the head and test them out. Again, a more premium option from JLab at $199, and they will be available at the end of the month. And for those who find over-ear headphones perhaps too bulky, JLab is also now offering the Go Lux ANC. These are an on-ear headphone, but they do have hybrid active noise canceling, which is great. Bluetooth 5.4 as well. I did have a chance to listen to these. While they were quite comfortable on my ear, they didn't quite have the bass response I was looking for right off the bat. Could use a little more bass, but lots of clarity in the treble. Guitars are cutting through with detail. I can hear the cymbal work nicely. Treble sounds good. Could use a bit more bass, but I could adjust that in the EQ. Decent isolation considering they're on ear. Let's switch back to noise cancellation mode. Noise canceling, not bad. Again, it cut away all the party speaker music. You can just hear the Van Halen and my own voice.
You can tell the ANC is working when he's speaking.
Was it? Yeah, exactly. But man, for $49, and they fold up nicely too. Good set of commuter headphones. Just like that. You can tuck those away in your backpack. So if you're a casual commuter, these are great on the day-to-day. Maybe not if you're flying frequently, but if you're just taking the bus or the train to work, I think this will be a very convenient set of headphones. Priced at $49.99, they will be the most affordable JLab headphones with ANC and will be available at the end of the month. And lastly, just something fun because it reminds me of my old translucent Nintendo 64, but JLab is introducing some new colors to the Go Pop earbuds. So if you're not familiar with the JLab Go Pop earbuds, they're only $20. They still come with a charging case. They're fun, they're light, they're small. Throw them in your backpack, forget about them, and then all of a sudden you've got a decent pair of earbuds in your backpack to use. But again, just something fun, translucent colors. That's just a taste of what we're in for. We're here all week at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, covering all the cool, latest and greatest tech. Be sure to subscribe. We'll keep you updated, and there's lots more to come. Again, I'm Dave with SoundGuys. Happy listening! Ow! All right, lunchtime. No, not gonna.